Okay, welcome to today's show. I'm back in the basement because it's raining again, and we're going to do the inside zip out liner. So some felt here. Of course it's acrylic felt, it's not real wool felt, but I thought it would make a really nice liner. We're going to make a zip in liner for our duffel bag. That way, you know, you spill something, you just zip it out, take it, clean it, put it back in. Alright, let's get started. Okay, let's try and make this pocket. Okay, see how I cut a line and then angle the corners. That way, tuck it all in. There we go. So I'm just going to iron this now with the zip ring. Very nice, not too bad. Just sew it up here like this. So I doubled over the back 1.5 inches to make up for the tab we left. I sewed it on. Okay, and then we'll do this other one. Okay, just fold it in half. Okay, it's best to clip these two first and then work your way around to take out, to get a little bit of slack. You have to adjust that. Right, I already did this side. I had to use my hand crank machine here because it just makes that curve better. Let's go try it. Okay, there it is. All right, here we go. Let's get this zipped in. There. So this side zipped in pretty nice. You can see that. And this other side. Zipped in. I don't know if if you can see, you see that zipper here? You know, like I said before, if I was selling these, I would get somebody else to do this. One friend does some better sewing than me. I'm thinking I might just dye this so that it looks a little more finished. But there it is. There it is, it's all finished. So you saw parts 1 and 2, the handle, shoulder strap. Alright, thanks for watching today's video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming exciting videos. Remember to hit the like button and leave a comment that will be helpful to others. Later.